Good evening. Welcome to Options Tender. It is Wednesday, 12/28/22. Welcome everybody. Want to do a quick video after this evening so I can get back to hanging out with my wife. So thanks for joining us here. If you're new, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Options Tender logo and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notifications, do all those YouTube things that get these algorithms going. We appreciate you, and we want to get these videos out to as many people, traders, as possible. Okay, so we're going to go just your traditional ES on the monthly, weekly, daily, 65-minute time frame. All right, quick update, because everything has stayed the same in the fact that we're in a downtrend and we're heading downward. Okay, monthly. Lower highs, lower lows, consolidation area, we tested, retested, and are failing from. We're still in the midst of last month time frame, but I'm not sure that that's going to last too long. I'm not, we'll see. I mean, there's only a couple days left in this month, but it's possible we could either just have a dark cloud shadow over, or we can have a bearish engulfing. We'll see. Okay, going to the weekly. All right, on that weekly time frame, ascending triangle broke down, retested. You saw this 4200 area tested many of times, broke down from it, retested, and now we're kind of I guess oscillating around this 3900 area. This has been a big point for many months, going on to last year. Made it as support, broke down underneath, resistance, broke above, support, and then back underneath, resistance, and so on and so forth. Well, the whole point right here, right now, we made a nice doji candle for the weekly. We had the potential of going to the upside. That's waning away. The odds are as we go lower at this point. We had the 20 simple moving average on the weekly and the 8 EMA. We're riding down the candle. It's an inside week so far. Perhaps we stay in this inside week, but it's looking pretty gruesome to the downside at this point. As soon as we break down from this turquoise or this resistance downtrend line, we're going to have quite a trend at that point. So that's what we're eyeing. Okay, on the daily time frame, trend is our friend. Like I said, I'm trying to make this video pretty fast. You guys have heard me over and over say almost the same things. And what I said in the options guy, there's a bunch of really cool traders in there, and we talk back and forth and give trade ideas and things like that. So check it out; it's free. What we're doing, this massive move to the downside. Well, we retested this 3900 area, which is the bow and arrow support resistance that we were just talking about on the weekly. We were denied from there. Retested again, denied, and what's coinciding is this 8 EMA. And before yesterday, this was a possibility of us breaking up and making a nice wave 2 correction that's looking pretty I guess clean. I don't know the word. It's not looking good. It's for the bulls, that is. So we switched over midday yesterday. We started to break down from this daily time frame. We started to break down from that daily. And if you kind of draw, I guess, say, if you looked on it, we'll go to 65, you'll see it there. But we're triangulating right there, consolidation area from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 days of action. We broke down from it. And so I just don't see the 6 days breaking down and then doing nothing at that point. I think we're starting the next leg down. So in other words, this is a 1, 2, and we're starting our wave 3 descent in a much, I guess, relentless way. I know it's it's a seasonally light trading week, so things are pretty, I guess, difficult. They're choppy. The trading's been choppy, not just directional, and I guess that's usual for this time frame when there's low volume. But you see the volume actually increasing anyway from this downtrend. This next candle down there. Let me get rid of these. So our next target here in the daily time frame is the 3750 to 3700 area. That's our next target. We're holding on tight. If we start to, we have a low here. If we start to make a higher low and give some convincing moves to, compete against this 8 EMA, then we might change our mind frame. But right now, we just have to be bearish. We have to go with the trend. Our trend is our friend. So we say on the daily time frame 1. Last but not least, 65-minute. Change our board to the hourly. We use 65 minutes because it's equal candles all day. Okay, we had this move down here. This completes our wave 1 according to what we are saying at this point. So this is a wave 2, really shallow, 38.2% retracement down to 1 2. So we have a 1 2 1 2, little 1 2. We broke down from this triangulation and we are on the move. This should be a pretty relentless move here with not too many big bounces. They should be pretty shallow and continuation down here all the way to the 3500 area. Anything other than that, it really, we have to rethink what's happening, because we thought we were going to get our wave 1, possibly wave 4 here, all the way down here to complete, and then get a larger pullback up to these zones here, and then start the descent. Now we're making lower highs and lower lows, even on the 65-minute chart. So we really have to pay attention and just let it play out until we start breaking resistance. Resistance at this point would be around that 3850 area. We start breaking that, and then we have something else going on. Other than that, just keep letting it roll with that trend. Okay, I think that's all we got for tonight. We broke down from this channel, real choppy, like I said, but just to give its efforts, we have possible wave 1 2 1 2 1 2. We got to let all those 1 2 1 2 1 2s play out. And now getting on these wave 3s, they should be a little bit more impulsive, and getting into the new year, that kind of frees up with new volume coming in, all that